Well, howdy there, pluckers. I've Saw Fingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting little lesson for you. This one is a classic song from Dr. Hook and the Medicine Show, and called Sylvia's Mother. Probably one of their better known numbers, okay, if not the best known number. Came from 1971, and hopefully you've seen my playthrough what I did a couple of days ago. If you haven't, please check it out so you can see hopefully what I'm going to try and break down for you today. So tuning, I'm in standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the 2nd fret, okay, the way I'm playing it. We are in the key of A, which is the same key as the original recordings from Dr. Hook, okay. So let's get to it. So the introduction is this, the way I play it. Sylvia's mother says, and off into the song, okay. So the strumming for this song, the way I'm playing it, is quite straightforward. You're playing like for the G chord, I'm playing the root note of the chord, which is the 3rd fret on the bottom E string, then a downstroke, and then down, up, down, up. So it's and it's the same for all the chords. The D chord, playing the open 4th string, down, down, up, down, up. And the C chord, 3rd fret of the 5th string, the root note of the C chord. Okay, so the introduction is like that sequence of rhythm. So it's slightly shortened. It's like, and then you do that, which is the 1st fret of the 2nd string, the B string, with your 1st finger, on, off, on, off. So, right? So you do 1, and then the sort of thing, and you do that two lots of that da 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 bits, okay. Sylvia's mother says Sylvia's busy, too busy to come to the D chord phone. Then you play a suspended D chord, add your pinky to that top E string, 3rd fret, just a very quick, like that, okay. So it's Sylvia's mother says Sylvia's busy, too busy to come to the phone. Suspended. Sylvia's mother says Sylvia's trying to start a life of her own. Sylvia's, now play the C chord, and this is where the runs come in, okay. Sylvia's mother says, right, so you have to do that. Sylvia's mother says, Sylvia, and what I'm doing there is like, Sylvia's mother says. It's just that 3rd on the 5th, 2nd on the 5th, open 5th, okay. So it's like Sylvia's mother says, and then you play the G chord, Sylvia's happy, and then that's bottom E string, 2nd on the bottom E, open bottom E. So it's Sylvia's mother says Sylvia's happy. So Y is D chord. Why don't you leave her G. Okay, so right from the beginning up to that point, slowly. Here we go. Sylvia's mother says Sylvia's busy, too busy to come to the phone. Sylvia's mother says Sylvia's trying to start a new life of her own. Sylvia's mother says Sylvia's happy, so why don't you leave her alone? Right, as far as we got, and then we go to D, and the operator says 40 cents more for the next 3 minutes, please, Mrs. Avery. That's that run again, okay, so please, Mrs. Avery. Third on the fifth, second on the fifth, open fifth, okay? So it's the operator says 40 cents more for the next 3 minutes, please, Mrs. Avery. I've gotta talk to her. That's that G again. And then talk to her is that run down, bottom E, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open. Okay, so it's please, Mrs. Avery, I just gotta talk to her. D, only talk for a while. Okay, got the idea? So it's, and the operator says 40 cents more for the next 3 minutes, please, Mrs. Avery. I just gotta talk to her, only keep her a while. Please, Mrs. Avery, I just wanna tell her good D. Bye-bye. And then we're off into another verse, okay, and it does that all over again with different words. And then you do another chorus, and then you do the last verse, another chorus, and it's just exactly the same with different words. So right from the beginning, first intro, first verse, first chorus, okay. So here we go. Do it a little bit slower than it is on the record, okay. Sylvia's mother says Sylvia's busy, too busy to come to the phone. Sylvia's mother says Sylvia's trying to start a new life of her own. Sylvia's mother says Sylvia's happy, so why don't you leave her alone? And the operator says 40 cents more for the next 3 minutes, please, Mrs. Avery. I just gotta talk to her, and I'll keep her a while. Please, Mrs. Avery, I just wanna tell her goodbye. There we have it, boys and girls, just more of the same after that. Thanks very much for watching, listening. Hope you enjoyed that little ditty. See you in the next one. Bye for now.